All right, ladies and gentlemen, today is a fantastic day. We are going to be comparing the Ridge wallet to the Groove Life wallets right here. This is the gunmetal gray. This is the black color. Both the Groove Life wallets have the money clip for cash, and we're going to show those to you in just a splitsy. And just like all my videos, the Groove Life wallets will be linked in the top link of the description box below. And the Ridge wallet, if you're interested in the Ridge, I have shoppable pictures of their wallets right below the video here. Click on those links, go over to Ridge's website, take a look and purchase away. All right, let's start with the Ridge wallet first. So Ridge can hold up to 12 cards. I have 7 cards in my hand right here, and one of them is my very thick crypto.com credit card. The difference with Ridge is you have a manual push-up button, which I just push up with my thumb here. And then what I like to do is I like to pull them out a little bit more. I use my most used card on the front or on the back, and then slips back in just like that, or your most used card on the back, and then use the backing of the cards to slip it back in. You can pull them all out if you want, rifle through them. It's just a little bit trickier putting them back in instead of leaving them in like I just showed you, but that is an option right there as well. Okay, on the back, they do offer a money clip as well, but this is the cash strap and just takes a little bit of time to get used to it. I'm not the biggest fan of it, to be honest with you. On this particular wallet, sometimes the nylon wants to slip out of the little slot right here, but it is an option. You can tuck that cash in between the cards. I think would be a little bit easier. The back of it is carbon fiber underneath the cash strap. Of course, you can ditch that cash band altogether. They do offer a little screwdriver in the box as well, or they do have a money clip option as well. But Ridge has teamed up with major league teams. They have really cool colors, logos. This is, of course, the Denver Broncos carbon fiber Ridge wallet. And that's the difference, is manual push-up button, really cool designs, RFID blocking technology, and lifetime guarantee. All right, let's look at the Groove Life wallet now. All right, taking a look at the gunmetal gray. I got 5 cards in right here. You can add a few more. Let's see here. All right, now I got 6 cards in there right now. And this is what makes Groove Life Groove Life. You do have your little money clip right here. Easiest thing to do, push it up with your thumb and then slide the money in like that as that metal starts to get a little bit more, just kind of wearing in a little bit better. That's the easiest thing to do for putting your money in. So you got your money clip, and then you got the sliding function of the wallet right here, as we can see. Distributes your cards just beautifully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Most used card on the front or most used card on the back. Using the backing of the cards, slipping it back in like that. And again, with the sliding trigger is the coolest thing of this wallet. I've had this gunmetal gray for quite some time now, and then this is the black color. Both of the wallets, same thing. Gunmetal gray does have a black money clip, but gunmetal gray and then the black one right here. Absolutely beautiful wallets with the slide function to it. Love this wallet. So regardless of what wallet you want to get your hands on, I think this is the coolest thing I've ever seen in quite some time. Yes, Ridge does have better colors, carbon fiber, etc., but the cool factor of this one with the slider, just in my personal opinion, takes the cake, but I'll leave it up to you. Once again, top link in the description box below will be the Groove Life wallets, as well as the shoppable picture links for the Ridge wallet. If you do buy the Groove Life wallet, this is my Groove Life belt I've had for over 2 years. Absolutely love it. If you're buying their wallet, make sure you pick up a belt as well. Absolutely love this thing. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, go ahead and purchase on the way. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as tech review videos, DIY house projects, and more. Once again, your shoppable links are down below. You guys have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.